Wireless voice intercom doorbell, model H6. Video instruction. First step, check the package. 1 outside button, 1 receiver, 1 menu, 1 screwdriver, 1 USB cable. Step 2. Screw off the screw with screwdriver and take out the battery cover from the outside button. Install the 3A battery either direction. The battery and USB charge should be by yourself. Step 4. Screw up the screw. Step 5. Switch on the receiver and we'll get voice. Step 6. Press the button on outside doorbell. The receiver will get ding dong. Step 7. Hold the receiver button and speak. Release it after over. Outside button get voice and response with holding the button or speak directly. Step 8. Check the LED lights of receiver turn on or not. How to pair. Hold the receiver button and switch on receiver. LED light flash quickly. Press the outside device button. Receiver release voice and the LED light turn off at the same time. Pair successfully.